Hey guys, DaVinci Resolve for the iPad has a new update. We have now version 20.1. 0.1. If we come here to the App Store and we look here for what is new, we can click on this one, then you see the entire version history. And if you click on here more, you can see all of the little details. So the update from today is very, very minor. It's basically just addressing a couple of things that were not working with the 21 update. So for example, addressed multiple DNG and Apple ProRAW color issues that they had, addressed some issues with the automatic smart bins after deleting keywords. So that is an issue that I found on my iPad as well. So this should now be resolved. Addressed multiple Resolve FX issues in the photo page. So we got a couple of more updates now for the photo page itself, more consistent creation of the new photo albums. And also we addressed a color thumbnail refresh for photo transition indicators. There's some addressed keyframes and ease control displays and sensitivity issues that were there that they fixed. So there's a lot of minor updates. The update came out just today, and this is the first time actually that I had to make a update video before I even finished the other update video. So I'm still working on the video from 2 weeks ago, which is the 21 update, because that was a massive update, if you can see here. I want to be a bit transparent to you. I don't have to do that, but I want to be transparent for everyone who is waiting for the update video. So if you look at the update notes for 21, I basically in my raw edit, I already finished everything here about the photo page, and I finished everything about the AI tools. The AI tools are amazing that we got this year. And basically this is how far I came. And the reason why I tell you this is I didn't stop making these videos, but the update videos, usually I do them once per year. I'm talking about the big update. So from 19 to 20, or actually 4 years ago, it was from 18 to 19, then 19 to 20. This is always when the Blackmagic just pushes a lot of features out. And that's actually something positive. It's positive because also the iPad version gets all of these updates. And sometimes even things and features are possible that are not listed here in that list, but because they came to the desktop version, we have them here as well. So stay tuned, I'm still working on that. And another reason why, actually 2 more reasons why it's a bit delayed is, number one, you maybe have seen in one of my videos, I'm going through a very rough transition time at the moment here in my life. Also my partner and everything, we got separated, and I had to, like, after working so many hours into that business for the last couple of years, I had to figure out where to want to go next. But I can promise, or I can show you already one thing. I know that this will continue being my work. I will try to deliver as much content as possible about DaVinci Resolve. I will probably also go a step further and create more content about video making processes, maybe even a filmmaking course, what I'm working on. Then at the same time, maybe you don't know that, but I'm a digital nomad now since 12 years. We have the Digital Nomad Festival right now here, and I'm also a speaker at one of the speeches, like the stages, and that's why I had to prep a lot of this, and this had to just go into the background. But it doesn't mean that the update videos will not come. You can stay tuned to that. There's a lot of stuff that we still have to cover, and there will be an update there. So thanks for waiting. Hit like, subscribe if you found this helpful. Let me know in the comments how this new update is working on your iPad, if it's more stable, because I got a couple of comments through my last couple of videos that, yeah, the new version seems to be, for some of the iPad users, not as stable as before, but some of the people were saying it's all fine. So just let me know in the comments what you think about that. That's it for this update video today. See you in the next video. I'm Daniel. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, ding a ding a bang bang gong, and see you soon. Bye.